Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling your PDF so the machine won't pause. Put all files in one folder and sort by name to control print order. Next, decide whether to print them as a batch from your PDF reader or merge into a single file. Merging reduces job failures. Make sure the target printer, paper size, and duplex setting are selected now, because skipping this causes pauses later. Once done, you'll be ready for the next step, either merging or configuring the batch print job. You now choose a clear path, merge or batch print. If you merge, open Acrobat or PDF SAM, add files in order, and export one large PDF. This minimizes print job overhead. If you batch print, select all PDFs in your viewer, choose print, then set page ranges, copies, and collate options. Make sure printer properties like DPI and color mode are correct. Once configured, preview the first few pages to confirm layout. Making these choices carefully prevents wasted paper and toner and speeds up the whole run. You're ready to send the job. Hit print and watch the queue for immediate errors. If the job stalls or a paper jam occurs, stop sending more files, cancel the remaining queue, clear the jam, and restart the printer before resending. This prevents duplicate pages. If pages are misordered or settings wrong, cancel and fix the merged PDF or adjust batch settings. For persistent failures, update printer drivers or break the workload into smaller batches to isolate problematic files. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.